Hi, I'm with Victor Veliadis from the PowerAmerica consortium. PowerAmerica is dedicated to boosting energy efficiency and working with companies and other entities to promote wide-bandgap semiconductors. Victor, tell us a little bit about PowerAmerica. And I see we have an example of what one of the members has done here. We'll go through that too.
Yes, so PowerAmerica was initiated in 2015 with a budget of $140 million from the Department of Energy. And the goal of PowerAmerica is to accelerate adoption of wide-bandgap power electronics and create high-technology manufacturing jobs and benefit from the energy savings along the way.
A big obstacle right now is cost. I think you're addressing that. Can you tell us about that?
The industry recognizes that there are performance advantages to using wide-bandgap power electronics, and the high cost of these devices and systems is a barrier to the wide adoption. So our goal is to accelerate this by bringing cost reduction. And the way to get to cost reduction is to increase volume. When you get to volume production, prices will drop. We support projects that are working on the foundry, so fabricating the devices. We support fabless companies that need a foundry to go to and produce at a relatively low cost. We work with the module manufacturers, so once those silicon carbide and GaN devices are fabricated, we have the right modules with the right properties to go into. And then we support application type of technologies where we want to demonstrate the system advantages of using these technologies. Our goal is to get to the point where we have reliable devices, streamlined fabrications, modules that are capable of exploiting the full performance advantage of these devices. And then when we do these system demonstrations, the idea is for the upper management of those companies to take notice, realize the competitive advantage that these systems provide, and then take on with the R&D and further development from there. So every year we start about 30 to 35 projects, and the majority of our projects are collaborations between industry, university, and national labs. So industry is going to bring the manufacturing, the high technology jobs in the United States. The role of the university is number one, to get students trained in these technologies, so they will eventually become employees and spread the knowledge of wide bandgap. And the second goal, of course, for the university is to do the forward-looking type of work and the feasibility type of work to advise companies as to which way to proceed for next-generation wide-bandgap power electronics.
We have an example of something one of your members has done here. Can you kind of tell us a little bit about that?
So that's a traction inverter. It's the type of inverter that you would use in EV and hybrid vehicles, and it's made using silicon carbide devices as opposed to using the incumbent silicon technology. So the advantage of using silicon carbide is that you're going to basically exploit the higher efficiency. So that means that for the same battery capacity, the range of the car will be longer, or for the same range as you would have had with silicon power electronics, you can have a smaller battery. So that reduces the weight and the volume.
If people wanted to know more about PowerAmerica, where would they go for more information?
So all the information is on our website, and also they can reach out to me. I can provide information and guidance, and we're always looking forward to having more people getting involved with PowerAmerica. We have a very strong value proposition that basically consists of member-initiated projects. So these are projects that all 45 members have voted, and the benefit coming out of these projects will benefit all of these companies. And we also have a lot of networking opportunities, and we're bringing together the large companies, the small companies, the universities, so they can all synergistically work together, with the ultimate goal being increasing the adoption of these devices, increasing the manufacturing volume, and thereby decreasing the costs, overcoming that barrier.
That's a great example of some of the work you guys are promoting, so thank you for that.
Absolutely.